Okay, so my question is, tell me one person or a child who asks so many questions. If you are yourself that kind of child, you can tell me about yourself, or otherwise you can tell me some other people who ask so many questions. Yes, please, Adgun. Adgun.
Ma'am, my brother, when we are watching movie, he asks so many questions like, what is going to happen next and who is he? So I tell him that you just watch movie, ma'am, because he is 5 years old.
He is 5 years old, yes. And the little children ask so many questions. कि ऐसा क्यों होता है ना? Okay. So
Yes,
next
ma'am.
student, yes, next is Devang. Devang, please tell me someone you know.
Yes,
He or she
yes,
asks
ma'am.
so many.
In our tuitions, there is my friend Siddhant who has so much of questions from the teacher which are out of syllabus and it is out of book.
Okay, out of
In so many
wow. Otherwise, they are GK
and
questions or they are very irrelevant questions. जिनका कुछ सिर पैर
when
नहीं
they're
होता.
when they're irrelevant questions and ma'am also just ma'am they said that you have blown my mind
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, and
and ask the questions from the Google as you have search engine in your phones also.
exactly, exactly. So yes, Ipsa. Ipsa, please tell us, beta. Yes, Ipsa. Okay, you are not audible. Next, Gaurish.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my cousin brother asks so many questions. Like when we are talking about some general things, he always like puts like interrogative like why. So these types of like I think that why it's habit. It is his habit to ask these type of questions, irrelevant questions like.
And what
Why
is
is
what
this
is
thing?
his
Why
age?
is this thing?
What is his age, beta? What is his age?
Ma'am, his age is 7.
7. Okay. So yes, 7-year-old, 5-year-old, they people ask so many questions. Why this happens? ये बस ऐसे क्यों जा रही है? कार इधर ही क्यों आ रही है? Clouds कहाँ जा रहे हैं चल के? So many questions they ask. Okay, but I think this is natural. This is their curiosity. Okay, next is Saksham Samarth. Yes, बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think my little cousin sister.
Okay. What kind of question, beta, she asked?
Ma'am, there is a spiciest chip in the world. And she always asks what spices are there in that chip.
Okay, okay, fine. So next one, beta. Akshara. Akshara. After Akshara, Bishav. Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes,
even
ma'am.
my
Someone was talking.
Ma'am.
Akshara, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my cousin's sister, ma'am, she asks so many questions that why are you doing this? Why, where are you going? Why do we do this thing? Why this happens? She always asks questions
Yes.
which
And this
have no
happens
meaning.
every time that 50% answers we can give, but 50% they are so difficult that we can't explain them, है ना? So we just stay quiet and हम उनको ऐसे कह रहे थे कि हाँ ऐसे ही होता है, बस ये याद रख लो होता है ऐसे, we can't give the logic. Okay, fine. So Bishav is the only child who is present today. So the most sincere student of the class is Bishav. He is the only child who is present today. Yes, Bishav. कैसे questions?
Wow.
Okay, okay, fine. Yes, next is Savya and Vaibhav. Then we'll start the chapter. Golu grows a nose. Yes.
Ma'am, small sister, ma'am, asked so many questions like, ma'am, where do sun go at night? And ma'am, why do this?
Okay.
Because they are.
Agamjot,
Yes, ma'am.
it's better to stay quiet, beta. If you are present today, I think you should stay quiet then. Otherwise, raise your hand if you want to speak properly in the class. Don't comment like this in between. Yes, Vaibhav, I'm listening, beta. Please speak up again. Okay. So Weber's little sister, she asked so many questions कि sun कहाँ जाता है और सुबह कहाँ से आ जाता है, moon कहाँ जाता है. Okay. So next one is Savya, I think last one. Then please open your chapter. Golu grows a nose.
Yes, ma'am. My cousin brother asked me so much questions.
For example,
फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने मैम वो ना नेटफ्लिक्स पर मूवीज बहुत देखते हैं मैम वो पूछता रहता है मेरे से कि आपने ये वाली मूवी देखी आपने ये किया वो किया
okay, okay, fine. So all of you, today we are going to read the chapter. We are going to read the chapter. Who's speaking, please? Raise your hand, beta.
Ma'am, Devang.
Devang. Yes, Devang.
Yes, ma'am. My sister's youngest daughter asked too much of questions. We have renewed the subscription of Amazon Prime Video, and we are watching the movie Coolie #1. And then, ma'am, she has too much of questions that we even don't watch the movie and start playing.
Okay. Okay, fine. They feel so irritated, then they stop watching movie and they start playing. Okay. So today we are going to read the chapter Golu grows a nose. Golu is an elephant. He has the same habit. He asks so many questions that the elder people, and they are very fed up. Okay, and they don't know how to give answer to his questions. Okay. So Adgun is the first one on my screen. So Adgun, you are going to read the first paragraph. Okay. I'll give you turn, bacha. Yes, Adgun, please unmute if you can hear me. Adgun. अच्छा आपकी स्क्रीन बेटा फ्रीज हुई पड़ी है. आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू सेम प्रॉब्लम बेटा. जस्ट वेट. द होल स्क्रीन फ्रीज हो गई पूरी स्क्रीन. मनदीप मैम के साथ भी यही हुआ था. Am I audible, beta? Adgun? Okay, beta, unmute and speak something.
Yes, ma'am.
Agamjot.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Agamjot Singh, I'm going to remove you from the meeting. You don't, I think, deserve to sit in the class. If you will do these type of things then.
Long ago, the elephant had no trunk. He had only a bulgy nose as big as a boot. He could wiggle it from side to side, but couldn't pick up things with it. There was a baby elephant called Golu. He too had no trunk, but only a bulgy nose as small as a boot. Golu was full of questions. He asked his tall aunt, the ostrich, "Why don't you ever fly like?"
Lai.
मैम मेरी बुक ना गुम गई थी आज.
Okay,
मैम
okay.
आप यस मैम.
Other birds.
Fly like other birds.
यहाँ तक read करना. Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am. Fly like other birds. Then he asked his tall uncle, the giraffe, what makes your skin so spotty? He asks his huge uncle, the hippopotamus.
Okay. So beta, there was a time when the elephant had no trunk. Okay. So there was one time जब elephants के पास क्या थी, trunks नहीं होती थी. Okay. Golu, a baby elephant with a bulgy nose. Bulgy क्या होता है बेटा? It's a curved nose. Okay. It's a curved kind of small nose. So bulgy nose he had. You can see the picture of the elephant. You will see what is the meaning of bulgy. This curved nose. Okay. See how strange he is looking. Just the elephant, he is having bulgy nose. Okay. So as big as boot. So what was the size of the nose? It was as big as a boot. He could wiggle. Wiggle means to move. He could wiggle his nose from one side to another, but couldn't pick up things with it. So wiggle means to move. So he could move his nose, no doubt, but he couldn't pick the things. जैसे अब वो pick up कर लेता चीजें, so he was not supposed to do that thing in the ancient time. There was a baby elephant called Golu. Golu was the name of the elephant. He too had no trunk, but only a bulgy nose. as small, because this is a baby elephant. He had nose which was small, like a small boot. ठीक है, छोटे boot जितना. Golu was full of questions. I told you beta this thing that he used to ask so many questions. He asked his tall aunt, what is the name of the tall aunt? Ostrich. Why don't you ever fly like birds? So is this the question? I think this is the irrelevant question कि आप bird की तरह उड़ते क्यों नहीं हो, ठीक है? Then he asked his tall uncle giraffe कि आपके जो skin पे spots हैं, the dots जो हैं, the dots, why are you having those dots on your body? He asked his huge uncle hippopotamus that why your eyes are always red, ठीक है? So he is asking such irrelevant question. जो नेचर ने हमें चीज दी है, he used to ask the same thing, ठीक है? अब पर उससे कोई नहीं पूछता था that why are you having long ears, why are you having this type of a nose, so but he used to ask everyone, ठीक है? Next is Gaurish on my screen. I'll give you chance, Bishop, after 3 students. After Gaurish, maybe Devang, then your turn, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Gaurish, please complete this paragraph.
Yes, ma'am. He asked his hairy uncle, the baboon, why do melons taste like melons? That ostrich, the giraffe, the hippopotamus, and the baboon had no answers to Golu's questions. Golu is a naughty baby. They said he asks such difficult questions. One day, Golu met the Meana bird sitting in the middle of a bush, and he asked her, what does the crocodile have for dinner? The Meana said, go to the banks of the great grassy Limpopo River and find out.
Okay, that's it.
Golu went home.
That's
Okay,
it,
ma'am.
beta. So next is he asked hippopotamus. I will ask you this question, beta. He asked question to whom and which question? Okay. So hippopotamus, he asked why your eyes are so red. Then he asked hairy uncle. Hairy uncle is the baboon. Baboon is a kind of monkey. Okay. See, so he asked him why do melons taste like melons? ठीक है? अब if I show you the strawberries or mangoes, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि इसका taste ऐसा क्यों है? So obviously there is no answer to that question. So the ostrich, giraffe, hippopotamus, and baboon, they had no answers. What is the reason why they didn't give answer? Because the questions were very difficult. So it was very difficult to give answer. So they couldn't give the answer. One day Golu met the bird Maina, ठीक है, Maina, sitting in the middle of the bush. So he asked her, what does a crocodile have for dinner? So he has curiosity in mind कि crocodiles खाते क्यों होंगे, ठीक है? Then Maina said, go to the banks of great grassy Limpopo. Limpopo is the river, and find out yourself. So Maina was so irritated. She said that just go to the river bank and you can find yourself that what does the crocodile eat for dinner. Okay. Next is Devang. Devang, next one, please. Till dinner.
Golu went home. He took 100 sugar canes, 50 dozen bananas, and 25 melons. Then he said to his family, goodbye. I am going to the great grassy Limpopo River. I'll find out what the crocodile has for dinner. He had never seen a crocodile and didn't know what one looked like. He met a python and asked him, have you ever seen a crocodile? What does he look like? What does he have for dinner?
So Golu went home. He took 100 sugar cane. जैसे हम लोग packing करते हैं ना, just when we have to go for a long journey. So he also did packing. He packed 100 sugar canes, 50 dozen bananas, and 25 melons. Okay. Then he said to his family, goodbye. I'm going to a great grassy Limpopo river. So he decided to go to the river to find out what do crocodiles eat. He had never seen a crocodile. So the good thing is that कि उसको crocodile पता भी नहीं कैसे का दिखता है. But he wants to see the crocodile and he wants to see what does it eat for dinner. He met a python. Python, you know that beta, it's a snake. So he met a python on the way. Have you ever seen a crocodile? What does he look like? What does he have for dinner? So he asked so many questions to the snake also. Okay? Now I would request Bishop, he will read the first next paragraph, then I will ask you questions after this.
The python uncoiled himself from the branch of a tree, but said nothing. Golu politely helped him to coin around the branch again and said goodbye to him. Golu moved on eating sugar canes, banana, and melons. After a few days, he reached the very edge of the great grassy Limpu River. On the bank of the river, he saw lodge of wood logs.
So log of wood is a piece of wood. Okay. So the python uncoiled. Coiled ka meaning, anyone who can tell me the meaning of coiled? Yes, Karthik, what is the meaning of coiled?
मैम आई थिंक कॉइल मीन उस पे मैम ऐसे चक्कर मैम ऐसे गोल गोल घूम के उस पे लटक जाना.
So you might have seen beta the snakes, they just coiled themselves. वो ऐसे अपने आप को round कर लेते किसी चीज के आसपास. That is coiled. Uncoiled is the opposite of coiled. So snake जो है वो straight हो गया. He just uncoiled himself and he said nothing. Obviously he didn't have answer to the irrelevant questions of Golu. So Golu politely helped him. अब गोलू ने उसको दोबारा help की to coil himself around the branch and he said goodbye to him. Now he was moving on and eating his sugar canes, bananas, melons, all the things. After a few days, he reached the very edge of the great grassy Limpopo River. Now finally he has reached the edge of the river. On the bank, he saw a log of wood. He saw a large log of wood. Actually, it was a crocodile. ठीक है, आपको पता होगा जब crocodile बाहर आके बैठे होते, they look like a log of wood. So he thought that it was wood only. Okay. Next is, so Karthik, it's your turn again. So it was really till dinner.
It was really the crocodile who winked at him. Excuse me, said Golu. Have you ever seen a crocodile? The crocodile winked again and lifted half his tail out of the mud. Come here, little one, said the crocodile. Why do you ask such questions? I want to know. Come close, little one, for I am the crocodile. And he shed crocodile tears to show it was quite true. Golu was afraid, but he sat down on the bank and said, You are the very person I was looking for. Please tell what you have for dinner.
Okay, that's it. It was really the crocodile who winked at him. Winked is kind of blinking here. जब हम आंखें थोड़ी बंद करते हैं in sleep. So he was sleepy. Crocodile was sleepy and he was winking his eyes. So excuse me, said Golu. Have you ever seen a crocodile? So Golu himself doesn't know that he's actually a crocodile. So he asked him, have you ever seen the crocodile? So the crocodile winked again and lifted half his tail, okay, out of the mud. So he said that, please come here. This, you are a little elephant, please come here. Why do you ask such questions? So Golu said that कि अब crocodile asked him that कि आप irrelevant question क्यों पूछ रहे हो? What do you what is the benefit of knowing that who is the crocodile? आपने क्या लेना देना इस चीज से? Okay, so come close, little one, for I am the crocodile. So he finally told Golu that he was actually the crocodile and he shed crocodile tears to show it was quite true. And you know that beta crocodile tears आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा. We generally say it to the human beings. Yes, like Bishop said, मगरमच्छ के आंसू वो actually क्या होते हैं? सिर्फ दिखाने के लिए होते हैं. They are not the real one. So he just showed him the crocodile tears to prove that he was actually a crocodile. Maybe Golu को पता होगा कि crocodile tears निकाल सकते हैं. So he showed him the crocodile tears to prove his point that he was actually the crocodile. Golu was afraid, but he sat down on the bank and said, you are the very person, you are the only person I was looking for. Please tell me कि आप dinner में खाते क्या हो? Okay, so this was the question of Golu. Now please close your books. I will ask you questions. Everyone. Yes, please close your books. I will be asking you questions. The first question from Bishop. Bishop, please stand up. What was the name of the elephant and what type of nose he had? Golu was the name of the elephant. What type of nose he had? Small nose. Okay. Size kitna tha approximately? It was as small as boot. Yes. So there was one word bulgy. He had a bulgy nose. ठीक है, ऐसे curved सा, U shaped. Okay. So the next one is, you have to hold your book, everyone. Okay, I'm starting with Shubh. Shubh, my question is, beta, to whom he asked so many questions, name the animals to whom he asked the question. Question mat batana, only name of animals.
Ostrich, giraffe, and hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus, giraffe, ostrich. Okay, fine. Fine. Gorish, question to the ostrich.
Yes, ma'am. Why don't you fly like birds?
Exactly. Why don't you fly like birds? Karthik, question to giraffe.
Ma'am, what makes your skin so spotty?
Okay. Savya, question to, kaun tha next? Who was the
Ma'am,
next?
Ma'am,
Hippopotamus.
hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus, yes.
Why you have red eyes?
Why you have red eyes? Okay, Vaibhav. Question to the baboon, beta. Hairy animal, baboon. Monkey से क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा था बेटा? Monkey से? वैभव. Okay, Saksham Samarth.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, question asked to the baboon.
Ma'am, why do melon taste like melon?
Yes, why do melons taste like melons? Okay. And the last question from the bird who was sitting, which was sitting on the bush. Yes, Rajaryan. Beta, Maina bird thi. What question he asked the bird? Rajaryan.
Ma'am, he asked who is a crocodile and what he eat for dinner.
Exactly, well done. What does the crocodile eat for dinner? Okay. So my next question is, who's the next one on my screen? Adgun. Adgun, then Devang, one by one.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, how he packed his luggage before going to the trip? What kind of things he packed for himself?
Ma'am.
मैम को पैक किया था?
Ma'am.
Yes, please then tell me. Okay,
मैम वो
Devang.
ना मेरा 5-10 मिनट्स के लिए बीच नेटवर्क कनेक्शन चला गया था.
Okay, Devang will tell us then.
I think he had packed. He had packed bunch of bananas, 25 melons, maybe
25 melons थे. अच्छा, let me see.
Yes, ma'am.
25
5
melons.
melons, 50
25.
bananas, 50 bananas and 100.
100 sugar canes.
canes.
Now next question is Jasveer.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
I think
50 dozen
50 dozen bananas are there.
Yes, 50 dozen, exactly. So Jasveen, can you hear me? Jasveen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, whom did he meet on the way? Whom did he meet on the way?
Ma'am, he meet a snake.
He
A
met
python snake.
Python, yes, python snake. Okay. So next question is from Harmeet. Harmeet, how he helped the python? How he helped the python?
Ma'am, he helped the python.
To coil around the.
Ma'am, to coil around the branch again.
Yes. To coil around the tree again. Yes. The last one is Aditya. Aditya, please unmute. Aditya. Okay, Chehak. Aditya, okay. Aditya, what did he notice on the ground? And actually it was the crocodile. Which thing he noticed on the ground, but actually it was a crocodile? Yes, Aditya or Chehak, anyone can speak.
Ma'am, log of wood.
Log of wood, actually it was a crocodile. Yes. So now please open your books. Let's move forward now. How much time we have? Okay, around 5 to 7 minutes. 15 minutes. 25 पे bell होनी है बच्चे. Let me find out one student who will read. Karthik, how many times you want to read? Yes, Shubh.
Yes,
Shubh,
ma'am.
complete this page. Complete this page.
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
बच्चे यहाँ से Golu was afraid. No, this. Come here, sir. इतना बेटा.
Come here, little one, and I'll whisper the answer to you, said the crocodile. Golu put his head down close to the crocodile's nose, and the crocodile caught him by the nose. I think, said the crocodile, today a baby elephant will be my dinner. Let me go. You are hurting me, Mr. Crocodile, screamed Golu. The python, who had been quietly following Golu, came to the bank and said, if you do not pull as hard as you can, the crocodile will drag you into the stream.
Okay. So come here, little one. I'll whisper the answer. Whisper means speak slowly. So he said that I will speak the answer slowly to your ear. So please come here. So Golu put his head down close to the crocodile's snout. Snout is a long nose of the crocodile. Okay? So he just went closer to the snout, and then crocodile caught him by the nose. अब जैसे वो crocodile के पास गया, he just caught his nose, and he said that today a baby elephant will be my dinner. So he said that you want to ask me na ki what do I have for dinner? So tonight I will have baby elephant for my dinner. Let me go. You are hurting me, Mr. Crocodile. Screamed Golu. Screamed means in a shrill or loud voice. So जैसे हम चिल्लाते हैं. So he was just shouting. He said that you are hurting me. Why are you pulling my nose? Then the python was actually following him. ठीक है, वो उसका पीछा कर रहा था python. So he came at the bank and said, if you do not pull as hard as you can, the crocodile will drag you into the stream. So he advised him to pull his nose hard so that अगर उसने pull hard नहीं किया, then crocodile will definitely drag him to the stream and he will eat him. ठीक है? So the next one, please.
Ma'am, may
Who's asking? Aditya? Tell me your name.
Ma'am, Harmeet.
Harmeet, okay, you can read it. Till at last.
Golu sat back on his Golu sat back on his little haunches and pulled and pulled. The crocodile slipped into the water, making it all creamy with great sweeps of his tail, and he also pulled and pulled. Then the python coiled himself round Golu's stomach and said, let's pull harder. Golu dug in all his 4 legs in the mud and pulled. The nose kept on stretching. At each pull, the nose grew longer and longer, and it hurt Golu. The nose was now 5 feet long, but it was free at last.
Yes. So Golu sat back on his little haunches. Haunches is the hip area of the elephant or any animal. ठीक है, जो tail वाला area होता है, hip area. So he sat on that area and he pulled and pulled. The crocodile slipped into the water, making it all creamy with great sweeps. जैसे हम झाड़ू लगाते हैं ना, ऐसे sweeping way में. So he was just making his moving his tail in that manner, and he pulled and pulled. अब दोनों में competition चल रहा है between crocodile and Golu. Golu is pulling his nose and crocodile is pulling Golu's nose. ठीक है? So end of the day, किसको सबसे ज़्यादा नुकसान है? The nose of the Golu. Then Python coiled himself round Golu's stomach and said, let's pull harder. Now Python decided to help Golu, and now they both are pulling the nose of Golu. So he dug in all his 4 legs. अब उसने अपनी 4 legs पूरी तरह dig कर दी हैं, ठीक है? उस मिट्टी में पूरी तरह से dig कर दी है. and he's pulling himself. The nose kept on stretching, but what is the disadvantage here? उसका जो nose है, it is just getting stretched time to time. ठीक है, उसकी stretching हो रही है and it is
Ma'am,
just
it is
becoming
hurting.
longer and longer. Yes, yes, Harmeet.
Ma'am, it is hurting him.
Yes, it was hurting him a lot. The nose was now like 5 feet long. अब उसका nose कितना हो गया? About 5 feet long, but it was free at last. But finally, he managed to free himself. ठीक है? Now who's the next one? Bishop, how many times? What happened to all? Jasween, please complete the page.
Okay, ma'am. Golu sat down with his nose wrapped up in a big banana leaf and hung it in the great grassy Limpo River to cool. Golu sat there for 2 days waiting for his nose to cool and to shrink. It grew cool, but it didn't shrink. At the end of the second day, a fly came and stung Golu on the shoulder. Golu lifted his long nose and with it hit the fly dead. Advantage number one is the python. You couldn't have done it with a small nose. Try and eat a little now. Golu put out his trunk and plucked a large bundle of grass. He dusted it against his four legs and stuffed it into his mouth. Advantage number two. His is a python. You couldn't have done it with a small nose. Don't you think the sun is too hot now?
Okay. So I'll explain this paragraph tomorrow and we'll discuss the question answers. And then only our last topic will be left, that is finite, non-finite verb. And then हमारा syllabus finish हो जाएगा. Now we'll continue this thing tomorrow. And till then, take care. Bye.